Hello to all of you Jigoshop users out there. In today's video, we're going to talk about cache settings in Jigoshop 1.9.3. Now, I know most of you guys use cache settings or plugins in your WordPress website, and that's important because, we like to have fast websites for our end user. So with that in mind, I have tested W3 Total Cache as well as WP Super Cache to see and make sure that they work with Jigoshop 1.9.3. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to set up both of those, and first we're going to take a look at W3 Total Cache. So we're going to go into the Jigoshop or to the WordPress admin panel and drop down to plugins, and we are going to activate W3 Total Cache. Now I've already added these into my site just so we don't have to go through the process of installing. So we're going to activate that. Okay, now that it's activated, go down to Performance and go up to Page Cache on the flyout menu. It's loading. So what we want to do here is we want to scroll down to the Advanced tab down here, and we want to keep going down, and what we're going to do is we're going to add these specific pages to this box right here where it says never cache the following pages. So I'm going to go over here to my text document and I'm going to copy these out. The pages that we're going to focus on in this are the following. Let me paste it right in here. We're going to block this site from caching: cart, checkout, thanks, my account / change password, shop, and order tracking. And make sure that you have the slash in here, otherwise it's not going to work. So now we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to save all settings, and just to make sure that it registers properly, it's very important, we're going to empty the cache. And I already have this website pulled up in another browser. We're going to use Internet Explorer for this, and you see the shop works. It's pulled up here. We're going to click Add to Cart to add this item to the cart. It's going to successfully add the product, and we're going to go view the cart, and you see here with the cache set up like this, we can add quantity to cart. Now we're up to 6 and cart updated, and we can even exit out of it. That's how easy that is, and it proves that it works. Okay, so now that we have W3 Total Cache set up and showing you how to do that, we're going to go back into the plugins panel, and we're going to deactivate W3 Total Cache, deactivate, and now we're going to scroll back down and we are going to activate WP Super Cache. Okay, now we're going to go into the settings thing because that's where WP Super Cache is at. We're going to go into the drop down menu and click on WP Super Cache. Okay, for this we're going to turn caching on. It's already on, and we're going to update the status, and we are going to go to the Advanced tab and scroll down until we get to this box right here where it says add here strings that forces a page not to be cached. And you see we've already added these in here, but with this one it's important that you do not add the slash or the .php. So we have in here cart, checkout, thanks, my account / change password, shop, and order tracking. We're going to save this string, and we are going to submit that string, and now we are going to scroll back up to the top. We're going to go back into the Easy tab, and we are going to delete the cache. Now we're going to delete it right here. That way our changes are posted to the site. We're going to minimize that and go back into where I have the site open in Internet Explorer. I am going to refresh that page by Control F5, and now you see here that we're going to go back into the shop. I'm going to add that to cart. Now it's successfully added to the cart. We're going to go view the cart, And now just to see if it works, we are going to change that quantity up to 6 again. I'm going to update the cart, and you see it's updated. Cart successfully updated. And now we can remove that. And we have removed that item from the cart. Okay, now that's how you do it. We have successfully implemented a cache system in our WordPress site using Jigoshop 1.9.3. We did so with W3 Total Cache and also with WP Super Cache. Now, if your site is just doing e-commerce and every page has e-commerce, then it's probably a waste of time to even bother with the cache settings. But if you have other things on your site, then that's what we would want to do. I hope this tutorial video showed you how to do something that maybe you didn't know how to do. We will have more videos soon.